Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, I'm here at the hair club in Lahore. My name is Basit Ali. I'm from the United Kingdom. This place has been recommended to me from my cousin from Multan, who travelled down and I had it maybe 2 months ago. He's super pleased with the service and how things went. I'm due to have the FUE transplant with Dr. Nasser, the world-renowned Dr. Nasser. So I'm super pleased to have finally got my booking. It's for tomorrow morning, and I'll feed back to you guys once I've had my transplant. Assalamu alaikum. Another update from this morning. So we started on time, 11 AM. We've done, as you can see, the hairline design. It was long dialogue with Dr. Nasser. It was good. Big input for myself and himself. We come to a compromise. The local anaesthetic has been put in, and there's a slight pain of like pinching from the vibrating machine that they do to numb. But apart from that, there's been nothing else after. So we've done the extraction of the FUE, no pain whatsoever. That's what I was worried about. One of the doctors has just done the stitching. Again, didn't feel anything. So far so good. I'm just quite relaxed, as you can see. I've been using my phone, watching a bit of BBC News. Relaxed environment. Everyone seems really friendly, clean, hygienic. Just ordered my lunch, so we're gonna have lunch shortly. But yeah, so far so good, and I look forward to updating you again.